Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 549. The lesson today is the difference between specialty and speciality. Yeah, this is one, over the years, I've often been asked, what's the difference between these two? So, if somebody wants a screenshot, do it now. Let's get right to it. Specialty is a type of dish or drink that is prepared in a special way that a particular restaurant or region is famous for, especially ones that cannot be easily gotten other places. Maybe it's a rare dish that's not easy to find. That would definitely fall into specialty. Sometimes it could be found other places, but maybe this restaurant makes it in such a special way, it's very, very different. And then in that sense, it could be their specialty too. All right, let's continue. We also use it for one's special skill in a line of work or career. All right, now let's look at speciality. Speciality is a product or dish specialized in a restaurant, or it could be specialty is a special skill or interest one focuses on. All right, is there a difference? Actually, they're quite similar here. They're almost nearly the same. All right, so let's look at the next note here. Okay, so according to the Oxford English Dictionary, specialty is mostly used in the U.S. and Canada. Speciality is mainly used in British English. Okay, that's the main part. But there is a little bit more. However, in regard to medicine and doctors, there are many British who say specialty and speciality are both used. All right, so you might want to make note of that too. As far as meaning is concerned, really almost no difference in meaning. And we have several examples just to show this. Again, here I have U.S., so this is a U.S. use. The specialty dish of this Japanese restaurant is blowfish. Okay, that is, you might find several restaurants that do it, but there's not many because you need a special chef in order to, he has to have a license to do this because somebody could easily get poisoned with this dish. So it's definitely a specialty if there is a restaurant that does it. Okay, and of course here in the UK, you say the speciality of this Japanese restaurant is blowfish, sometimes also called pufferfish as well. All right, number two, again, US and UK. Are you a general practitioner or do you have a specialty? All right. So remember, doctors, if you just go to your common doctor, especially your local doctor or like a family doctor, and they just check you out for your general health, they take care of things like colds and flus and, some other stuff. But when you have a more serious, bigger problem, they may send you to a specialist. And the specialist has a specialty. Okay. And in the same sense, in the UK, it's a speciality. So in the UK, you say, are you a general practitioner or do you have a speciality? Okay, and just a third example here. Is this restaurant famous for any specialty or, in the US? And of course, in Britain, it would be, is this restaurant famous for any speciality? Okay, anyway, hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.